Representante da comunidade portuguesa, José Malaca, agradece ao governo Timor-Leste, também que organiza evento, conferência comunidades luso-asiática, na Rio Rua, Ronaldson Lima.
E a segunda, primeiro-ministro halau encontro com a comissão organizadora da quarta edição Conferência Comunidade Luso-Asiática, onde discute com a preparação do evento refere deve se realiza em Timor-Leste e tinang tui representante comunidade português José Malaca deve rola parte e a comissão agradece ao governo Timor-Leste também bele realiza a conferência
We had 3 chapters of Asian Portuguese Conference in Malacca. One, which is the Prime Minister himself, attended in 2016. Thomas was there with the representative from Kampung Tugu. So did other Portuguese community in Asia. So we are very thankful for Timor-Leste to be hosting the next APCC, Asian Portuguese Community Conference.
The fourth one,
The fourth one, the fourth chapter, which I think something that we have moved on into a very the country is a country. Previously, we are just on a village level. So I am thankful for Timor-Leste to be the host, and of course, subsequently, where will we lead from there? So we are also looking into Portugal hosting it in 2027, which we will make these proposals in June conference. So again, I think we're very happy with the meeting with the Prime Minister, who's been very supportive towards this agenda. The Portuguese identity in Asia lies on the hands of the Asian Portuguese Conference, because the identity meaning the cultural heritage.
Primeira edição APCC realizou na Retinang Rio Rosan Resinen, iniciativa usi personalidade eminente balung, usi comunidade bairro português Malacca, no evento consegue loritan grupo culturais o representante usi comunidade Maung Alim Barak usi Sri Lanka, Goa, Indonesia no Macau, Mateus Romário, Mário Freira, GMN.